Let's dive right into this explainer. You've probably seen that famous 99 names list on walls everywhere, right? But get this, the Prophet Muhammad never actually listed those specific 99 names himself.
The authentic narration definitely mentions the number 99, but surprisingly, it provides 0 actual names.
To see why, look at the history. Over 1 million recorded sayings, or hadiths, were circulating back then.
It's like a game of telephone. One companion story could easily snowball into 45 different recorded versions. We also got to look at Sebebi Vurud, or the context. He wasn't just dropping numbers into a void. So here's the real question. Was 99 a strict, literal cap, or just a metaphor for many? When scholars combed through the historical texts, literally nobody could agree on one single, definitive list. The story split early on. The most authentic path had 0 names, while another branch suddenly added them. This is called mudrek. It means those specific poster lists were actually tacked on by much later narrators. So why would he give us a specific number but purposely keep the actual names a secret? Imagine a dying father telling his sons he buried a massive, rich treasure out in their field. The sons dig everywhere. They find 0 gold, but that heavily plowed soil yields an incredibly wealthy harvest.
The Prophet left us a field. By actively searching the Quran for these names, we harvest immense wisdom.
We're supposed to read the universe too. We see beauty in a rose and majesty in a lion.
So are you just memorizing a poster on your wall, or are you actively hunting for that treasure?